Today it's the 25th of April 2023. We have Humalistonkatu.
Yes.
Humalistonkatu 17. Here in it's also Takatele, but in Töle also. Borta Helsinki Sports Humalistonkatu, Finland. The capacity is 3 persons to 4 grams. Once again, fixtures, another beautiful elevator, very beautiful cab. And with the gates though, it says the rights, 95 dollars. And this has been built by ASEA originally in 1939, ASEA sector, and its number is 4025805. Will be inspected in the next year, 2024. And it was constructed in 2003 with Kone fixtures. It will be 85 years old in the next year, 2024, and the station is turning 20 years old this year, in 2023. It has a beautiful cabin. Now it's beeping a bit.
Yeah. Inspected by QIs and maintained by Kone.
And I think the machine's also quite interesting here.
Yeah.
I love the smell. The smell is really good.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching. Also, they could have had the original